Hello everyone, today is my first video, so I'm gonna start with my cube collection. Let's start with the Lan 2x2. This is a great cube. It's just so smooth, as can you see, and I tried to mod it, but it gone bad, so I leave it there. It's a great cube. Look, it's just amazing. So if you want to buy this, it's so great, so I recommend you. Then I have the cube for you, 3x3. This cube is awesome. It's the first I have, so it's so good. I really like this cube. It has CubeSmith stickers, and it's so good. It turned very well, but sometimes it pop, and it's horrible. I hate when it pop. Then I have the Lan Master Morphix. This cube is awesome too. I like to solve this cube, and it's just so fun, because this is a shape-shifting puzzle, so it's so good. It's a little bit confused, but when you understand how it works, it's easy, but it's so fun. So let's go to the Shenzhou 4x4. This cube is the last I bought. It's so amazing. It's just so smooth. I didn't do anything with this. It's out of the box. Well, I disassembled to see how was the mechanism, and then nothing. Oh, and I looked the springs just because it had a noise that I don't like. That din, 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 din. Oh, but after that it's just so smooth. So great. I recommend you. Then I have the Shenzhou 5x5. This cube is really awesome. When you get this, it's smoothest, but I want to mod this, so I mod it, but I think I over mode a little bit, but it's great too. I really like this. I like 5x5, so this is so great. Then I have the Megaminx MF8. So this cube is not so good when you get it, but after you lose the tension and really lubricate, it's very good. It's smooth, but sometimes it pop, and I don't like that. I hate when it pop, especially this, because there are a lot of pieces and I say, oh god. Then is the Dian Sanchi. This cube is awesome. I really like this cube. When I get it, it was smooth, really smooth, and then I lose the tension, I lubricate, and I change the stickers. That's why it hasn't the logo, but it's so great. I really like this cube and I recommend you. I never tried a good one, so I can compare this. So these are all my cubes, and if you want to know more about some cube, you can ask in the comments, and the most asked I can review. Sorry for my English, I'm not good English speaker, but I'm trying. So okay, this is all my cubes, and thanks for watching. See you next time.